Welcome back to our Windows Server 2022 series. This is day 2, focusing on the essential setup and configuration after initial installation. If you've just finished the initial installation, you're ready to dive into the core configuration steps that prepare your server for real work. To recap day 1, we successfully installed Windows Server 2022. You now have a fresh operating system waiting for its crucial configuration. Today, we're focusing on the initial configuration, including essential security updates, network setup, and preparing the server manager. The first phase is the immediate post-installation setup to secure and personalize your new server environment. Once the installation is complete, log in with the administrator credentials you set up during day 1 to view your initial desktop environment. A critical first step: update your administrative passwords. This is a fundamental security measure to protect your server. Next, let's configure the network settings to ensure your server can communicate reliably on your network. Servers should always use static IP addresses for consistent and reliable communication. We'll walk through setting this up in the network properties. We must also configure the DNS settings, pointing to your internal DNS servers for name resolution. Now, open Server Manager. This dashboard is your central hub for managing and configuring the server. Take a moment to check the installed server roles and features to ensure only necessary components are active. Properly configure Windows Update settings to ensure your server remains secure and up to date with the latest patches. The next step is adding the roles and features needed for your server's purpose. We'll use a web server as an example. Using Server Manager, we can install a basic server role, like Internet Information Services or IIS, for hosting websites. After installation, perform a basic configuration of the new role, such as creating a default website for IIS. That wraps up our Day 2 guide to setting up and configuring Windows Server 2022. Your server is now secured and network ready. Today, we covered vital steps, including security updates, static IP configuration, and installing your first server role. In Day 3, we will tackle advanced topics, including setting up Active Directory and managing users and groups. Stay tuned.